Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 3. Let's go directly to our quiz. What is the mass number of sodium? (11 plus 12 giving us 23. Dash is the attraction between molecules of the same substance. For example, the fact that water molecule is attracted to another water molecule. Cohesion. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same number of protons and different number of dash. Neutrons. Nonpolar covalent bond is formed by the equal sharing of electrons. An ionic bond is the result of transferring protons. Water molecules are polar with the oxygen side being slightly negative and hydrogen side being slightly positive. Electron available to form bonds dash. Valence. Dash fatty acids have at least one carbon double bond and are liquid at room temperature. Unsaturated. In DNA, the nitrogen bases adenine and dash are held together by hydrogen bonds. Thiamine. Most common monosaccharide is glucose. Dash is an example of a disaccharide. Lactose. Animals store energy in form of dash in their muscle cells. Glucose. The monomer of a protein is a amino acids. A dash is the building block of macromolecule. Monomer. To build a DNA model, molecules need include dash. Deoxyribose, phosphate groups, and nitrogen bases. The dash structure of proteins occurs when the R variable group interact with another one. Tertiary. Dash is the polysaccharide that makes up the cell wall of plant cells. Cellulose. Carbs contain all except nitrogen. The process of polymerization creates polymers by bonding monomers together through a dash reaction. Dehydration. When two monosaccharides are bonded chemically, water is released. The dash structure of protein is when amino acids are bonded together by a peptide bond in a specific order. Primary. In a hydrolysis reaction, a dash water molecule is added and polymers break to form monomers. Hello friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 3. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.